Hey everybody, it's John, and today we are going to be hiking to the Indian Fort Lookout at the Pinnacles in Berea, Kentucky, which is just 30 minutes south of Lexington. Let's go.
Place is famous for its copperheads, bro.
Is it?
Oh.
Are they aggressive?
Nope. I usually sit and I'll just photograph them all the time because they like to paralyze and just play possum. As long as you don't step on them, you're fine.
Woo! Lucky on that one. So today I hiked the Indian Fort Lookout. It's about a 2-mile out and back hike. Was planning on doing more, but because of the snow and then the ice, there was trees falling down. We had to climb through things, so it made a very challenging hike. So in 2 miles, did it about an hour and a half, and the views were spectacular. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and click that bell button so that we get reminders of our next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.